In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox kick due to unexpected client behavior 268 error. To start, open up your search bar and search for Control Panel and then click on Enter. In here, click for Network and Internet. And on the side menu, click on Change Adapter Settings. And then select Ethernet. This is the Wi-Fi I'm using right now. And click on Properties. In here, click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then click on Properties again. It will open up another window. Click on Use the following DNS server addresses. And then we're gonna type in 8.8.8.8. And also at the bottom, we're gonna put 8.8.4.4. And then save the changes you've made and restart your computer. Okay, so the next step is search for CMD or command prompt and then click on Run as an administrator. And then a new window will open up. So in here, we need to type in ipconfig//DNS and click on Enter. And then we need to type in again ipconfig/renew and then click on Enter again. So you just have to scroll all the way down until you reach the button because we are going to type something again. In here, type in net space winsock space and reset. So I will be showing you the word that you need to type in and then click Enter. So it says here that you've successfully reset the winsock catalog. And then for the final step, you need to restart your computer. And then the last step you can try is to uninstall and install it again, and hopefully it will fix the error. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.